I wanted to talk a little bit about health and safety, including the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment, also known as HVAC. These systems are responsible for keeping educators, staff, and students at a comfortable temperature and to minimize their exposure to pollutants in the air. Along with this is the accessibility and inclusive playground equipment. Parents can count on inclusive playgrounds to offer a fun, inclusive, and sensory-rich environment where all kids can develop critical physical, social, and emotional skills. School entrances require constant access by a wide variety of parties. Secure vestibules are a proven approach to safe and secure main entrances based on industry best practices and research.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm here to pick up my nephew and my niece.
Okay, I'll buzz you in.
Thank you.